So today we will create a Python virtual environment in VS Code. First we will open the terminal, and here first we will need to install the the virtual env package. Pip or virtual env. Now we will create our virtual environment, and as you can see that this is my project directory. I'm not going to create my virtual environment inside the project directory. I'm creating it outside the project directory in order to keep a project directory simple and understandable. So we are outside in this folder project for YouTube, and here we will create the virtual environment. So for that we will type python 3.9 menv myenv. Here Python 3.9 is the Python package of which I want to create a virtual environment. You can type Python 3.10, Python 3.11, but when I'm making this video, Python 3.9 is the most stable, so I'm going to go with that. And myenv is the environment name. You can change it to env1, env2, whatever you want. So now as we create this, you can see that when we have typed this command, this folder myenv, our environment folder has appeared, and now we will activate our environment by typing source myenv, then activate. Now as you can see that first it was written base. Here now we are in our myenv. To check if we really are in a virtual environment, you can type pip list. Here, as you can see that in our virtual environment, we only have pip and setup tools, no other package installed. So yes, we are in our virtual environment. Now we will go into our project directory, cd open AI, that's a chatbot, and from here we can install the whatever pip package we want to install. We will install our requirement file from here. Pip, and now once we do that, then it starts installing, and this is installing in our virtual environment. So now as you can see that we have all the packages installed. Now I'm going to show you how we can, now after we've done everything and after we're closing up our project, we can deactivate the virtual environment by typing deactivate. And here as you can see our virtual environment is deactivated.